Taking a look back at your New Year's by the numbers, looking at your January 1st, we have the high of 23 degrees is what it usually tends to be for this time of the year. 7 for our low. Snowfall tends to be about just short of 1.5 inches. When it comes to those records, the warmest New Year's was in 1992 with 36 degrees for a high. Coldest one was -19 for your low in 1974. And when it comes to that snowfall, the record is in 2008 with 7 inches. Looking at that precipitation though, when you change that snow into liquid, or what would be the equivalent of rain, it will be 0.56 inches of rain in 1997. And the warmest low temperature was at 27 degrees back in 1987. But looking at those highs for today, though, we saw that temperatures did top out into those low 30s throughout the central UP, 33 in Munising, 32 in Escanaba, 30 in Marquette. A little bit cooler towards the west, though, 26 in Ontonagon, 29 in Houghton. Looking at those winds, though, they are now starting to come out of the northwest at 23 in Houghton, 20 in Ironwood. A little bit lighter towards the east, 13 in Escanaba, 12 in Munising. Looking at those conditions going into what's ahead later on in the work week, we are going to begin to see that snow picking up throughout the night tonight, so do watch out on those roads. We will continue to see it tomorrow as a cold front passes its way through and temperatures are going to begin to fall more going into your Tuesday night, into your Wednesday. Really, your Tuesday morning, your Tuesday night low and your Wednesday high are not going to move too much. We really won't start seeing the big difference in those temperatures until you wake up Thursday morning, as temperatures will eventually fall into those single digits. Looking at what's ahead for the next couple of days, we are going to see that snow chances overall, especially along Lake Superior. So accumulations could get up to 4 to 6 inches as we deal with that cold front making its way through. We are going to see better snow chances on your Tuesday before it finally winds down on your Wednesday. More sunshine begins to break in through, though, the UP, especially going into your Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, even though temperatures are going to be somewhat cold for this time of the year, especially as we're going to be dealing with temperatures for your mornings around 0. Going into tonight, though, 26 degrees, snow showers, and mild, though, with that snow, with those winds out of the southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. So even though those temperatures are still on the warm side, do take advantage of that warm weather somewhat, even though unfortunately the weather won't be cooperating. Tomorrow we will see those temperatures rise towards the 30-degree mark as sunrise occurs at 8:34 a.m. By the time we go to tomorrow night, that's really where you start seeing the first differences in that thermometer, as temperatures will fall into those mid-teens for lows, even though the snowfall will slowly begin to diminish more as we get deeper past midnight going into your Wednesday. Looking into your extended outlook a little more closely, tomorrow will be a warm day despite the fact that we are going to be dealing with a good amount of snow. Going into your Wednesday, we'll still have some lingering flurries, especially early on in the day. And temperatures are not going to move too much. As you can see, pretty much going to hover in those mid-teens. We probably will see those temperatures fall a little bit more as we get deeper into the afternoon, leading up to that 4 degrees on your Thursday, and only highs on your Thursday only into those mid-teens, falling even further on your Friday, which will be the coldest day, even though we're going to have partly cloudy skies, which will continue going into your Saturday as well. So the main key going into tomorrow is just watch out for that snow, give yourself extra time, and after that it just really is just bundle up and cover yourself in as many layers as possible, as those morning lows will be around 0, afternoon highs only into teens, and wind chills will be well into those negatives.